Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin, born on April 16th in Walworth, Estlake, in England. Chaplin was the first artist to earn respect around the world. Chaplin is a great artist. He was a comic actor. His performance was typical with funny dressing and gait, and a hand stick which was a hallmark. A small hat, innocent eyes, and with his silent movie, he made the viewers laugh. Both comedy and tragedy are his life's truths. They are like two sides of the coin. He makes people see the truth by filling his performance, combining both humor and compassion. He wonderfully scripts the life's truths by combining both these races. This is the greatness of Chaplin. He was the first and last actor who combined both emotions and experimented. His mother, Lily Hurley, was an attractive actress and singer who gained a reputation for her work in the light opera field. She led the family with her acting career. His father, too, was a good actor, musician, and popular, but he was a drunkard. So Charlie's mother never lived with him. Charlie was thrown on his own resources before he reached the age of 10, as the early death of his father and subsequent illness of his mother made it necessary for Charlie and his brother, Sidney, to fend off themselves. Charlie lived with his father for a little time. His father got married again as Charlie's mother deserted him. However, he used to help financially a little. Charlie's mother used to earn a little through singing, but that was only mimicry. Sometimes she used to catch cold and used to be in a state when singing was impossible. When she tried to sing, it used to be shrilly and the audience used to create hue and cry. Once, when she was singing in a drama, her voice became weak and the audience became agitated with his. She left the stage. Charlie, who went to the drama along with her mother, was led to the dais. And 5-year-old Charlie started singing. The audience, which were pleased with his song, threw money on the dais. Immediately, Charlie stopped singing and started picking up the money. Later, he continued singing, speaking to the audience, dancing, and imitated his mother's acting and her shrilly voice. The amused audience threw more money on the dais. His acting life began at the age of 5 in such contest. As Charlie's mother was unable to look after the children, 3 of them joined orphanage. Charlie's mother used to tell her sons about her acting life and also perform. She used to teach them about Christ and his sacrifices. She taught them that one need to learn about the life one is living and what can be achieved through literature and arts. That way, she ignited the lamp of artistic knowledge in the heart of Charlie. He mentioned in his autobiography that he learned from his mother love, compassion, humanity can be achieved through arts. The audience watching Chaplin's film would be mesmerized with the feelings expressed. After watching it, another feeling enters their hearts and makes them think. Charlie Chaplin was a writer, actor, musician, producer, and director. He became everything to the movie. He is also a great visionary, dreamer, great writer, musician, iconic actor, was against war, peace loving, humanist. He was world citizen in an ordinary world. He was a great personality in the artistic world. Demand for Chaplin's movie grew day by day. All his films were big hits. There used to be long queues before the cinema theaters. In New York City, dolls and figurines of Charlie Chaplin were sold in medical shops and other stores. The female police of Jig Blade used to mimic him and used to sing those Charlie Chaplin feet and entertain viewers. Many business people, book publishers, toy makers, cigarette companies, toothpaste, candles, and other used Charlie Chaplin pictures for progress of their business. He used to receive a huge fan mail. Charlie became the favorite of people without even being aware of it. People used to flock wherever Charlie went. The respect and admiration of people was great. Though he had a huge fan following, respect, money, victories, a great future ahead. Charlie always felt lonely. Although people knew him, he used to think that he knew none. He did not know what his destination and where he was going. He used to walk in the streets like a mad person. Chaplin is one of the great persons as that the world respected. As an emperor of comedy, writer, musician, producer, and a man with a great heart, compassionate, knowledgeable. Appearing like a common man, he melts the hearts of people with his acting. He received many awards, government felicitations. While a woman of the Paris, the gold rush, city lights, the great dictator were full length movies, Chaplin acted in hundreds of two or three real short films. Charlie Chaplin died on the dawn of Christmas in 1977. He passed away in the sleep. Though he left this world, he secured a permanent place in the film field. He became popular and won adulations as the best man.